Project schedule management. This video will introduce some of the concerns that the project team needs to address during the phase in which the project schedule is being managed. These concerns include managing project activities, managing performance information, managing changes in the plan, and managing project documentation. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like this video and want us to continue with new topics. Subscribe to the channel. All content is free. You can also comment suggesting topics you would like to see on this channel. Thank you. Here we have processes for monitoring the status of project activities and using this information to update project progress and manage schedule changes. It is very important to keep the project schedule status up to date. Here we have processes for monitoring the status of project activities and using this information to update project progress and manage schedule changes. The project schedule must be kept under constant control by the project team. Constant monitoring of project activities as well as project milestones is very important for schedule control. Schedule control occurs throughout project execution, with frequent updates to the schedule based on work performance information. Work performance information includes information about how the project work is performing compared to the schedule baseline. The work performance information obtained is based on past project performance, and expected future performance based on corrective or preventive actions. This information is processed for use in updating the schedule. At this stage, it is important for project managers to estimate how potential risks may impact the schedule. Schedule control monitors whether the project schedule has changed. Any changes that have occurred and how they will impact the project are reported to stakeholders. At this stage, it is important to work with the project plan and schedule to minimize the impact of schedule changes, and also to update any necessary schedule reserves. Schedule variance analysis, as well as reviews of progress reports, performance measure results, and modifications to the project scope or schedule, may result in requests for changes to the schedule baseline, scope baseline, and/or other components of the project management plan. This ongoing schedule control is important so that the project team can respond to any issues that arise during project execution. If issues arise and appropriate responses are not taken, this can result in delays in the completion of activities and, consequently, increases in completion time and overall project costs. Therefore, at this stage, managing the factors that can cause schedule changes is very important. It is also important to map task dependencies during change management to reduce deviations that may occur in the project schedule. Remember that some tasks depend on others, while others may be executed at the same time. Any change to the project management plan goes through the organization's change control process via a change request. Components that may require a change request for the project management plan include but are not limited to 1. Schedule management plan. The schedule management plan may be updated to reflect a change in the way the schedule is managed. 2. Schedule baseline. Changes to the schedule baseline are incorporated in response to approved change requests related to change in project scope, resources, or activity duration estimates. 3. Cost baseline. Changes to the cost baseline are incorporated in response to approved changes in scope, resources, or cost estimates. 4. Performance measurement baseline. Changes to the performance measurement baseline are incorporated in response to approved changes in scope, schedule performance, or cost estimates. In some cases, The performance variances can be so severe that a change request is put forth to revise the performance measurement baseline to provide a realistic basis for performance measurement. Project documents that may be updated as a result of performing this process include, but are not limited to, 1. Assumptions log. Schedule performance may indicate the need to revise assumptions about activity sequencing, durations, and productivity. 2. Basis of estimates. Schedule performance may indicate the need to revise the manner in which duration estimates were developed. 3. Lessons learned log. The lessons learned log may be updated with techniques that were effective in maintaining the schedule, causes of variances, and corrective actions that were used to respond to schedule variances. All of this information may be useful for researching historical data for future projects. 4. Project schedule. An updated project schedule will be generated from the schedule template populated with updated schedule data to reflect schedule changes. 5. Resource calendars. Resource calendars are updated to reflect changes in resource calendar utilization that were the result of resource optimization, schedule compression, and corrective or preventive actions. 6. Risk register. The risk register and the risk response plans within it can be updated based on risks that may arise due to schedule compression techniques. 7. Schedule data. New project schedule network diagrams can be developed to display approved remaining durations and approved schedule modifications. In some cases, project schedule delays may be so severe that a new target schedule with expected start and finish dates is necessary to provide realistic data for directing work, measuring performance, and evaluating progress. This ends the video on schedule management during the execution phase. Upcoming videos on project management, carrying out the work phase. We will have the following videos: 1. Project cost management. 2. Project resource management. 3. Project quality management. 4. Project procurement management. 5. Project risk management. 6. Project stakeholder management. 7. Project communication management. We will also have videos with 1. Concepts about project life cycles: predictive, iterative, incremental, adaptive, hybrid. 2. Concepts about project phases versus project processes. 3. Examples using WBS Schedule Pro. 4. Examples of project plans using MS Project, and much more. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like this video and want us to continue with new topics. Subscribe to the channel. All content is free. You can also comment suggesting topics you would like to see on this channel. Thank you.